in this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect K8 wireless microphone without OTG. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up and using a K8 wireless microphone is super simple. It is going to include a transmitter and a receiver. You will plug one of these units into your device, and then the other one will communicate and connect to it automatically. So all that you have to do is use this unit that has the USB-C end and plug it in to your device. This can be an Android device, an iPhone, it doesn't matter. Just plug it in. You don't have to install anything. For any Android device, you just plug it into the available USB-C port, but if you have an older iPhone model, you might have a Lightning port instead. If that is the case and you do have a Lightning port instead of USB-C, then you might need to use an adapter. So just grab the necessary adapter and make sure that you have a USB-C port available instead of Lightning. Then you plug the K8 into the newly available USB-C port. Like I said before, it is going to be set up by itself, so you don't need to download any additional applications. Now press the power button here on the transmitter. Like I said before, this will prompt it to automatically connect to the receiver that is plugged into your phone. So the indicator here, there's going to be a little LED, is always going to stay on, telling you that it is looking for the transmitter, and they will both be paired up together right away. So anytime that you speak into this mic, your voice will be picked up and you can use it on your phone. So you can open any compatible application, see if your voice is being recorded, change the audio levels, and so on. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.